range, vegan and vegetarian sounds very simple for the story. So our burger shop is offering you a vast range of vegan
I'll have to show you at home.
Pasas, dejas huella.
Connect a phone and try it.
That's turning only lane. Damn it! Fucking hell, man! Damn it! Fucking hell, man!
Once we bought a credit, we did it. We wanted to see how exactly it protected biodiversity. So we had to go there, to a place called El Globo.
Wasn't flipping you off, was tapping the dash cam, you know. Since you want to be a reckless piece of shit, fuck you. We'll just sit here, that's fine. Wanted to cut me off in the parking lot and act like a child. Now you miss your light too.
Countries such as Denmark and the Czech Republic are more violent than without countries such as Iran and Pakistan. Morality doesn't mean following divine commands. It means reducing suffering. Therefore, in order to act morally, you don't need to believe in any myth or story. You just need to develop a deep appreciation of suffering. If you really understand how an action causes unnecessary suffering to yourself or to others, you will naturally abstain from it. People nevertheless murder, rape, and steal because they have only a superficial appreciation of the misery this causes.
18 points shy of Pete Maravich's record of scoring for both men and women, which he is going to easily beat. She just set an NCAA record for her 155th three-pointer in a season. She hits from half court like it's going out of style. Okay?
In the ocean.
Belly bed. Whoa!
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
In concert with Mark's Commercial Abbotsford. Customizable products. Elevate your business. Leave a lasting impression on Jack 96.9.
Oh my God.
with nothing inside. She had touchy-feely hands. When they broke up, Helen had said to Michael, "It's okay if you want to feel angry. That's normal."
Where are you going?
And he said, "I don't feel angry. I just feel sad." When he was years ago, when she still put him to bed, when she turned to keep
FY07 UJP,
would say,
you're anchor.
"Mummy, I'm sad." She would say,
You are a
"You can be sad and angry. You don't have to."
twatted.
I don't have anything to be.
Fuck off.
Shaping events, but people don't really understand. Well funded, it's rigorous. It's not just like learning how to
relax. He committed during the scope of his official duties.
The majority believes in strict construction of the Constitution. When the language is plain, you follow it. And the problem is, I think that they could also say that that language that says Congress may would mean that Congress makes a deliberate choice. That they can pass legislation if they want this to be a thing.
There's just one senator and two assembly people per district. So they had 3 slates that they were their highest priority.
I know, I almost hit
The
that
grassroots partners
Paying hush money to a porn star during the 2016 election in Manhattan. Now,